You guys look great.
You look great.
I can't tell who's who. It's kind of cool.
Right. The point, the fingers like, wait a second. Screenshot. Oh, man. Cut the music off. Baby.
Really?
Yeah. Rich. Hey, what's up, man? Can you say V8 Tesla?
V8 Tesla.
V8
Tesla.
Hey, guys. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You're going to see some dope behind the scenes, exclusive footage that you'll only see right here on Eric EVapors Stevenson's channel, man. Let's go. And where is this dude at? Got me standing out here in this area. All right, Rich, don't get me robbed.
My man.
Can a brother catch a ride?
Yo, come in here. You get in here right now. You know what? Let me give you a proper greeting.
Okay. My boy, man.
Good, man. What's up, man? How you
Doing good, man.
Good, man. Good.
Yeah.
You ready to go do this?
Do what, man? Do what?
So
yeah.
what?
Let me get a charger for you, man.
Yeah, I need that.
How Rich gonna call me talking about he need to borrow a car charger? Come on, brother. Can't be How many begging cars like does he that.
have? I know it's kind of ghetto.
Yeah. No, it's all good.
But
It's all good.
All right.
I'm familiar with that. Not really all good. I'm just saying that since I'm getting in his car.
All right. So how do you want to do the
Do the what? I mean, hopping into a brother car for the first time out of town, man. Come on, man. What you talking about? Robbing a bank? What you talking about? Going to Starbucks? What?
I'm parking here?
Let me see.
All right. I gotta see this thing.
Yeah. Man. I'm with the legendary Rich Rebuilds.
I'm not a legend. I'm nobody, man. I'm a regular dude, just like you.
Your highest title, my brother.
We're brothers.
My brother. And depending on how you say it, determines,
Yes, yeah,
what,
you know
what it
what
means.
that means.
Let me borrow it.
No, my brother. You've got to buy your own.
Yes.
My brother. Look at him. He did it again. Screw me up. Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Let me show you, man. Karen alert. Oh, no, it's...
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be gone in a second. I'm not staying here. Oh, okay.
That's what I was asking. Oh, I got
That's the
you.
entrance.
Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah. So Rich, man, I put some new monikers on my car right here. I just want you to read it.
I like this.
You like it, Rich?
I like that. Thank you very much.
Oh, you like the Audi? Yeah, the Audi's tough.
I gotta take a picture of this.
Yeah, man.
I like this. You know why this is funny?
Yeah.
This is funny for many reasons.
Yeah.
Number one, I am black.
Give me a high five.
Right.
So it's funny.
That's
Funny because
Yes.
I am currently black. But
Yes.
The joke is that you are the black one. You know
Correct,
what I mean? 'Cause
correct.
You have this, to be fair, you got the J's.
And you know.
Turn this around. Turn this around. This man got the J's on right here.
And I got my YouTube
Look at
sweater
the
on.
J. Look at these all crisp. Not even creased. Look at that.
no, I walk
Look
like
at
this.
that. Dude, look at this,
like
man.
this, man.
Look at that. He got the heavily distressed jeans.
Yeah, and I got my long johns on under that
Yeah,
too.
this, you know it's cold out.
It's cold up here.
Right.
It's cold up
It's
here.
real cold up here, man.
Yeah,
I
man.
love
I'm
it.
trying,
There you
bro.
go. I got the scarf, man.
But bro, the car is this is amazing, man.
It's not bad, right?
Nah, I mean, pictures do one thing, videos do one thing.
They don't do it justice.
You gotta see it.
They don't do it justice.
Nah, man. This is it, man. This is styling and profiling. Did you do the calipers like that?
No, it came like that.
Okay,
I did
okay.
the wheels. The wheels I powder coated black. They were bronze.
Yeah.
I did those black.
Okay,
But no,
cool.
the rotors I did, but no, the brakes, they're already like that.
Gotcha. All right, we just got pulled over in Salem, guys. Just got pulled over in Salem. I believe we're gonna be all right.
I think we're gonna be okay this time.
This time.
Wait, are these the stick? No, they started. So that wasn't always there, right? In the Model.
Oh, I don't
3s,
know. Is it?
how to open the door, and I think they actually added that icon to show this is how you open the door. I think so. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, people just didn't. They just didn't know.
They didn't know how to get.
I'm gonna take a picture of this disrespect real quick. Hold on 1 second. I don't like being disrespectful.
All right. Rich is crazy, man. Like that. Taking pictures. Oh man, EVapors. Got pulled over, guys. Yep, EVapors YouTube, the black, rich rebuilds. Gotta love it, man. Oh, man. Let it roll. All right, guys, on the way to get the V8 Tesla, we had to stop and pick up Steve. Steve on, y'all know him like that, right? Y'all remember the Karen incident in the last video. Something really, really good happened after that. We stopped at a local Chevrolet dealership, and this is where you're going to actually get to see and hear the V8 Tesla running, purring, that Corvette engine making some really, really good sounds, man. And you're going to get to see a presentation that I did for Rich Rebuilds, man. Just something to say thank you from your main man, Eric EVapors Stevenson. Let's go.
You want to see? Well, we have the gas tank over here.
Whoa.
Look great.
It look
You
great.
can't tell who's who. It's kind of cool.
Right.
The point, the finger's like, wait a second.
Screenshot. Yeah.
Yeah.
So check it out, Rich.
Yeah. Right.
So, I did 20 years in the military, right?
Yep.
And I was in the Navy.
Yep.
So they have these things called coins, right?
Coins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where they you do a really good job, they give you a coin. You do something courageous, they give you a coin or whatever.
Right.
And when I tell you, in my 20 years in the Navy, I never got a coin.
Really? So you've never done anything courageous or intelligent?
I did.
Brave?
He just wasn't acknowledged for it.
I did.
Yeah, right, yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
So, it kind of bothered me, over the years.
Yeah.
So as a DOD civilian,
Right.
I've been given several coins.
Who gives you the coins, though?
The general, the colonel, the sergeant major. It's like, man, you did a great job. So the job that I did for Fort Bragg in the Army,
right?
I was given several coins. And I'm like, man, that was pretty cool. But I want to give you a coin, right? So this is the very first coin that I was given.
No, you can't.
No.
You can't.
Oh, it's for
Listen.
Fun Spot. It's one of those
Listen.
It's like a casino coin.
Yeah. So this is
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, no, that's all good.
That's
this is
real.
the very first coin I was given. I did a briefing for a colonel, and he had about probably 2,000 soldiers
right
in the hangar bay, and I was nervous, but I went in and I did it, and he shook my hand and said, sir, you did a great job, a great service to these soldiers, and it was my first coin, and I've gotten several since then.
Right.
But when I left the house this morning, I was like, man, Rich, you're a really good guy, man. You're doing a great service.
But you didn't know that. You were unsure.
I was unsure,
You brought the
but I
coin
brought
just
it just in case.
Right.
But now I really feel like, you know what? I want you to have the very first coin that I had. So in good fashion, you gotta do the good old coin handshake, man.
Thank you
Thank
very
you, sir.
much, man.
Job well done.
I appreciate that. You really shouldn't. I mean, this is a big deal. I appreciate that, man.
No, no
I
doubt,
mean,
man.
it's,
I
I
want
mean,
you
this
to
is
have
this is like a this is something you should. I feel like you should give to like family and like your kids and stuff. But
Yeah.
like I'm just a random washed up YouTuber. On the
Nah,
internet,
man.
That's
Nah,
all.
nah,
That's all I am. I just make jokes on the internet.
Yeah, you're doing a great service, but even more like you're a really good guy, and I appreciate our friendship, man. I really want you to have it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this to Steven.
Yeah.
Because he's zooming on it.
Yeah, that's not a casino coin. That is
Yeah,
that is the
no,
real deal.
That's a real deal.
Oh, that's real deal, baby. Real deal.
Yeah.
Rich.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I don't have any money. I'm sorry, man.